this move, as soon as I missed that first move, it was revenge trading. Shouldn't have. How did I feel my 50,000 Propfirm challenge? Today we're going to talk about how in 2 days I was able to lose 2,000 in a 50k challenge and feel it. Like, it happens a lot, especially when you have no risk management and you're just fucking absolute degenerate gambler like me. Because I would call out trades and I'd look at them, I just wouldn't wait on them. I was, to be honest, more worried about making a video or getting a live stream up than trading. I missed 2 trades that I would have taken the first day if I had got on at the right time, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. And the next time, even during the first day, at the end of that first day, I was just like, I got up over 1,000 and I just didn't want to pass it really quickly, and then not be able to cover the funded pay the activation fee and then cover the funded account, I just didn't want that to happen. On the second day, I just didn't know what I was doing. Like, I called out trades, I tried to take the trades, just because I went into drawdown, I got nervous on stream. I was like, oh well, I want to win more trades, on stream, not lose them. But then it all kind of gets to you, trading on stream is not the same as trading off stream. It's a new thing. Now I will get used to it, and I will get better on my YouTube shorts and things like that, right? My TikToks. A lot of people are talking about my charts, right? I only show this chart on my shorts and TikTok. Most of my zones that I draw will be drawn here, and you don't get to see those on those. Now, even at that, doing the live streams, I was trying to talk about what I was doing first, right? When realistically I shouldn't have been. We started off, we identified this zone. I don't know which time frame we did it on. In my head, I can't remember. I think it might have been the hourly time frame we identified this zone. What I didn't look at was this. So if we had made this, just bring this down a little so it's not in the way. See this zone? That's a nice zone right there. But I was looking at the big zone, right? So I knew it would come back. I'm just going to put this back up just in case, right? Just because I didn't have that first zone there, right? I just trade off for value gaps. I do watch a lot of people. I've not paid for any courses or anything like that, but I just pick up off everyone. I don't stick to one person. Now, I do have certain things I like to see and do. When we started yesterday, we started at this point, right? This candle right here. That's the candle we started at. It pushed up. It was hitting into this support area. Obviously, there's a lot here. But I was just more focused on, it's a big support, right? Now, my first short came in at this support level that I was thinking, right? I had shorted it in around here, right? So this red line is where I was looking to short from. But I wasn't setting sell orders. I was just waiting until I got there and going, sell. Which is so stupid. But it all happened so quickly, and I was trying to talk about it on stream. It was just a little difficult for me. But I'm going to do first, and I'll explain later next time, okay? Now, my stop loss was all the way up above this, right? I had my stop loss way up here. The issue that had was it was very big, and if it hit that, I didn't want to have a big losing trade on my first streams. Stupid, right? Shouldn't be about that. Now, I took the short down, right? It went down to about 130, 140. I was targeting around here, right? It's like 20 almost 20 handles in one candle, right? That's what I was going for initially. It came down, said 130, right? I was only doing one contract, I had 130 profit. I was thinking in my head, okay, that'll get me back over 49k. I'll take that, right? By the time I took that, it was down to 75, right? And that was very silly of me, as it was. Now, my initial short was, again, probably right here. It came up. When it hit the support level, I did short. And it went up into the negative. And I let that get to me because when it came back to break even, I got out for like 45. And look, right down and touches our zone. Again, I didn't have that. This first one, the smaller zone, I don't have that. But one thing you should really know is that I trade off zone entries. So I would always trade off, I'd have a stop here. if I were going to sell here, I'll have a sell stop here, you know, I'll trade off the zone entries. And that's what we're going to go back to doing in our next stream, whenever that'll be. I have a couple of different videos in mind to do. We actually had a trade where we removed our stop loss and like our take profit. We removed it. We were going to just bring it down just a couple of handles, but see, when I hit that X, it went up to where it was. It would have hit it and then dropped. I moved it lower anyway, and it just dropped even more, and that fucked me. I think that might have been this candle. I think I might have got long on this candle. No, wait, where was that? Let me think. Where was that? Pretty sure it was... no clue. I hate that this shit doesn't stay here all day, but you know, it is on my YouTube Shorts, it is on my TikTok, on my Instagram, if you want to go over and have a look at those. I really appreciate it. So that's where we get fucked up. And literally in this move, as soon as I missed that first move, it was revenge trading. Shouldn't have been, but it was. I'm very new to trading. I've only been trading for 1 year, and I've only ever passed 2 Propfirms. It's with my own little strategy. It's hard for me to put it in the words. I just do what I like, you know. So I'll try and put a video together explaining what I do trade like. I'm trying to look at the chart here and think of what could I explain, but we'll save it for another video. And look, if you do want to see that video, hit the like button, subscribe, and obviously comment. Let me know how you trade. Let me know if you do, you know, ICT, you do SMC, anything like that. I trade again for value gaps from ICT, but I trade a lot of stuff from other places as well, but I started myself in ICT over a year ago. We failed that farm, but we have passed Propfirm. We just never had a payout. We were up 2k 1 month, and then we lost it. That was last month. I actually think that was last week we lost our 2k. Pretty sure that was last week. Yeah, that was last week. Hit that share button. You know, share me around, show people if you want to get them in the trade, and send them this video, you know. Not all positive. There's losses, there's losses and wins. But I'm a year in. I spend $50 a month. You get a lot of good practice when you're just doing it every day. So yeah, follow the live streams is all I really suggest to you. Is you be able to see me grow again. We'll be profitable. We'll be in the big bucks someday. Just not yet, but it'll happen. Right, wish you all the best of luck in your own trading. If you's so yeah, I wish you all the best of luck in your own trading. This is the end of the video. It's very short. I know it's just an explanation of what I was trying to do and where it went wrong. But look, have a lovely day, and again, subscribe.